Well, big breaking news coming in. The Delhi High Court has asked the centre why wait till April 22nd to ban industrial use of oxygen when people need it now. The High Court has said that economic interests cannot override human lives. Well, Nilishish joins us for more on this. Nilishish, once again, the High Court, we've seen number of High Courts stepping in terms of the COVID situation in various states. Once again, the High Court wading into the arguments of lives versus livelihoods and saying that economic interests cannot override human lives.
Absolutely. The High Court has been conducting this hearing for approximately 2 hours and 20 minutes now, where several aspects of the COVID situation in the national capital is being discussed. Now, this one of the main issues in this that is being discussed is the availability and supply of oxygen. Now, there were reports that the Delhi High Court got that hospitals were not being able to give proper oxygen care to patients whose saturation levels have come down to 82. Now, in this regard, it has been asked of the center as to how they can divert oxygen supplies from industries to hospitals where it's required. Now, the center has come up with its affidavit and stated that from the 22nd of April, they will ban oxygen supplies to certain industries except 9 critical industries and divert that to hospitals. Now, while the High Court was appreciative of the idea and the thought that they would ban certain industries from getting oxygen, the question remains as to why the 22nd and why not immediately. The court has observed that they're very surprised that this decision has been taken for only the 22nd of April, because what happens between this in this interim period of 2 days, who's going to be responsible for those people who die due to the lack of oxygen in these 2 days when oxygen supply is short in Delhi hospitals. Now, of course, the High Court has also said that economic interest cannot override human lives, and if it does, we're heading for a much bigger disaster than it already is. Very interestingly, the High Court has said that the figures of infected people as of now is recorded to be under 2 crore people, but let's put it this way, that the actual figures might be 5 times of that. So we must look to save the remaining 120 crore people from getting infected. And a large part of the population is not infected, but we could lose close to 1 crore lives. Now, that is a very, very big statement coming in from the High Court, which has said that the government must be agile on its feet and not look to ban it from the 22nd, not look to ban supplies to industrial to various industries from the 22nd of April, but from today itself, in order to save as many lives as possible.